Hey, I'm Caleb with Woodshop, and today we're going to make a miniature tic-tac-toe game. And this is going to be all the wood you're going to need to make this project. This is the first one I made, and all of these I made with just scraps around the shop. So I think walnut will look really nice to make one of these. And these are really fun to just leave sitting around. You could leave them on a coffee table. You could even sneak one of these small portable ones to work. The first thing I want to do is since this is going to be a little one, I don't want it to be that thick. So we're going to rip this walnut board down. This tic-tac-toe game is going to be smaller. I want to rip this down to about 1/2 inch. I'm really not a fan of ripping wood down on my table saw, but I don't think I'll get a very good cut on the bandsaw, so I'm just not going to try to cut this whole thing at once. Actually, now that I'm thinking about it, I could probably make several of these. So, I've got a stop block set up so I can cut it down the length. I'm ready to cut my grooves into the surface of this. I've got the blade set to where it's just gonna dig a little bit into there, and I've got a stop block set up for just these two going across the grain. I'll probably have to reconfigure this for the ones that go with the grain. Same thing with the ones going with the grain. I just moved my stop block in a little bit and used my square to figure out where exactly those lines should go. And we want to get ready to drill our holes in this, and so what I do is for each one of these squares I find the center, connect in my corners. And after that step, you're essentially done. So really you could stop there and just sand this and cut your pieces to length, call it good. But you might want to dress these up a little bit, kind of like I've done with the ones I've already made, where I've made a frame around those. I'm going to be using zebra wood for the frame. So make a whole bunch around the holidays, put them in your stockings, bam, y'all can thank me later.
Japanese handsaw. Japanese handsaw. Japanese handsaw.
And while your frames are drying, this is a perfect time to cut the game pieces, but you'll need 10 pieces for your game board.
Japanese handsaw. Japanese handsaw. Japanese handsaw. Japanese handsaw. Japanese handsaw.
Now, unless you really enjoy arguing and fighting with your friends and family, you could totally stop after sanding your pieces and they'll all look identical and y'all could fight about who made what move. But if you don't want that to happen, I differentiate my pegs by staining 5 of them since there's 10 to a set.
stain 5, leave the other unstained. Also, when you're done staining the pieces, make sure you really wipe off the excess stain off of the pieces, otherwise that stain is never going to dry. After you stain all of your pieces, then I think all we got left to do is some sanding. It's a nice day, y'all. I didn't even plan on doing 4 of them. I was gonna do just the one, but like I said, once I started cutting up that walnut and realized I could do more, then why not? So I'll probably give these away to some people. But these are really fun. Like I said, you get the small portable size that you put in a pocket. You can make a huge one, get like a closet rod for the pegs. So it's really fun, and making little wood games like this is fun. Like I said, it's fun when you have guests over and you could just leave it sitting out on the table or something and y'all could play each other. If you liked and enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel, because I have new woodworking projects every Friday. You'll never know what it's going to be until that Friday rolls around. Or if you follow me on Instagram, because a lot of times I show stuff early. I film videos in advance, so it'll be like a month or two before y'all are even watching this. If you follow me on the gram, you'll see stuff early, and you can anticipate it and get spoilers. I'm just rambling. I'll see y'all next time.